Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share with you how to change your Facebook name. So go to Facebook first. Click on three dash icon which is top right corner. Scroll down and you will find settings and privacy. Click on that. Go to settings, the first one. Now you can see here the Meta account center. Click on this box. Just click on the profile. Click on your name. Now you can see here the name option, username and profile picture. Just click on the name option. Now you can see your first name, middle name and surname. Write your name here wisely, and after writing your name, click on review change. After clicking on review change, you cannot change your name within 60 days. Okay, so write your name wisely. So guys, this is how you can change your name in Facebook simply. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.